September 10th, 2017. Hurricane Irma is on the way. I wanted to take a few video clips just to document what the landscape and yard looked like ahead of time, not knowing what to anticipate, what kind of damage we might have by this time tomorrow. This is afterward. You can see all the leaves on the oak trees have turned brown and are dropped off. They're very thin now. All of the other softer vegetation, elephant ears and coleus, are gone. This is looking out the front of the house about 2:30 in the afternoon. Getting windier. You can see it blows pretty steady, and then there'll be really hard downbursts of wind. Already lots of palm fronds and other landscaping debris blowing through the yards. This is about 7:30 that night, starting to get dark. It actually got a bit stronger than this, and it lasted for the next 15 hours unrelenting.